Happy New Year everyone, Moby the Landy. Right, since the last video, I haven't been able to get it running. I fitted a new crank sensor, found a plug, the plug was okay, but the wiring to the plug was actually broken. That's probably due to me when I took the gearbox off, I forgot to actually unplug it, so it's probably damaged the cores of the cable. So I got a new one in, I've done a temporary fix here. Connector block, nice little bodge, but it's only temporary because then I could repair it because I've got the electrical connections I can redo and reuse. We've got some new spades to go in, so it all looks a mess. All the bulkhead, this is all the wiring, and this actually is the wiring for the roof lights, which may go back or may not, but the bulkhead hasn't been tampered with yet, so that's the whole idea, so I can prove chassis side, plumbing and everything else is all okay. I'm still waiting for the radiator, but also one thing I did notice, I've primed the fuel system up. I've now got pressure where it should have. I had the fuel pump running backwards. Basically I plugged, it's a stupid plug idea, going either way, 50-50 choice, and obviously the wrong option. So that's now all primed up, fuel pump sounds a lot better. So let's give it a go. At the moment the immobiliser's kicked in, so let's just sort that out. That's done. Let's give it a quick crank. Right off. Nice little burping exhaust. Well, we'll call that a success. Well pleased with that. So, broke the crank sensor wiring when I did the gearbox. That's now rectified. I've just got to now sort out that issue, connect it properly, and then, and obviously I connected the fuel pump the right way around, so I've got the pressure going in the right direction. Fuel system's all working the right way. It now fires up. So the next task, I need a little bit warmer weather, is to prep the new bulkhead for painting. It's a bit damp in the barn today. Well, I am talking about it the day after it snowed in the UK, which is not a big deal in parts of most of the world, but UK, tiny bit of snow, everything stops. But it's a bit damp, so the moisture levels are too high for me to paint, so I've got to try and find somewhere dry and warm to get it painted. And then I'll get the old bulkhead removed and stripped and fitted onto the new, and everything fitted onto the new one. This bulkhead will be up for sale. So if you are interested, send me a message in the comments or send an email to mobythelandy.com. If you go onto the website, there's a link to the email, and there are some other bits that will be up for sale as well. But please follow, and Moby the Landy signing off. Take care.